So now let's see how we can apply filters in our photos by using the Wix photo editor. So over here, you can see that I'm in my web page. So I'm just going to select it and I'm going to go to adjust right over here. And then over here, you can see that there's filters right over here. So applying filters is quite simple. You just click on this filter that you want to apply, click on it, and that has been applied. You can go for different types of filters right over here, as you can see. But you can change the amount of effect the filters have as well. So over here on the bottom hand side with each filter, you actually get this. So you can bring this down as well, as you can see, to change the level of effect. So you can go to brightness, you can go to original, you can go to tropical right over here as well, and use the slider to change out. If you want to add in multiple filters, what you can do is you can save this out and then come back after it has been applied and then apply another filter on top of it. So a filter has been added over here. So you come back to adjust right over here again. And over here, now this is the original. So you can add in, let's say, for example, moody on top of it right over here, just like that. And the filter has been added in. And that is how you can use Photo Studio filters inside of Wix Photo Studio right over there. And once you save it, all the changes will be seen over here in your web page. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.